Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2019 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab in diamond black crystal pearl. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, power running boards, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, DUAL-PANE panoramic sunroof, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6051.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.